So what is an Azure Engineer and how much does an Azure Engineer make? Hi, my name is Spencer Thomason. I've been a software developer for over 25 years. I have helped hire and train hundreds of developers, and I can help you get started on a great career path today. So let's talk about what an Azure Engineer is. So to understand what an Azure Engineer is, let's break this down into some more questions that I think can help us take this on. So first of all, what is a software engineer or software developer? A software engineer designs and creates computer systems and applications to solve real-world problems. Software engineers, sometimes called software developers, create software for computers and applications. Successful engineers know how to use the right programming languages, platforms, and architectures to develop everything from computer games to network control systems. Now, in addition to building their own systems, software engineers also test, improve, and maintain software built by other engineers. So in this role, your day-to-day tasks might include designing and maintaining software systems, evaluating and testing new software programs, optimizing software for speed and scalability, writing and testing code, consulting with clients, engineers, security specialists, and other stakeholders, presenting new features to stakeholders and internal customers. So what does full stack mean, or what does it mean to be a full stack developer? Full stack means that the developer can develop both on the front end as well as on the back end. So front end, or UI, or user interface, is what the customer sees. It's the websites, buttons, and inputs and everything that you interact with on the application. Now back end is the server-side code, or database access, or APIs, which stands for Application Programmable Interface of the code. Now, basically what this means is it's all the heavy lifting and the processing that happens on the server. So this is the part of the website that does all of the heavy lifting, processing, and computing to store that data that you interact with on the front end. So a full stack developer can do both the front end engineering work as well as the back end coding to make sure that the code stores your data and processes it correctly. Now, what is Azure? Azure is a public cloud platform built by Microsoft for building, deploying, and managing services and applications anywhere. It offers 3 services of different types: infrastructure as a service, software as a service, and platform as a service. But ultimately, Azure is Microsoft's cloud computing platform. So now, how much does an Azure full stack engineer make? Now, according to Glassdoor, the average full stack engineer makes approximately $150,000 per year. Now, more than that, they're just extremely in demand, so you will never lack for a job. Now, that $150,000 is definitely spread across many different demographics because it depends on what part of the country you're in, depends on whether you want to work at home, depends on whether you have a degree, depends on a lot of different factors. But the average is $150,000 per year. So what does it take to become a software engineer? Now, the quickest way to get the best training that includes tutors and help along the way is to sign up at startuphack.com. We will help you and build you to prepare you to get ready for your first job. We have a great discount code in the description below, so go and grab this discount and go to startuphack.com and get signed up today.